Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Mini Cooper S. Now this car, let me tell you about it. So it's a one owner car from new, both keys, lovely full service history, and it is just a one owner car from new. This vehicle has over £5,500 worth of factory extras, so when you see it, it looks an impressive thing. So straight away you can tell it's got that aggressive body styling. It's a full John Cooper Works body kit. So the front rear bumpers, the spoiler on the back, the side skirts, the alloy wheels, the kick plates, the steering wheel, it gives it a different dynamic look. Now we're a dual tone paint, so we're finished in thunder grey metallic with the contrasting red roof, red mirror caps, red detailing in the grille. It looks ace. Then inside we've got that lovely light linen leather interior. So let's have a nosy. So LED daytime running lights, lovely John Cooper Works badging in the front grille, lower fog lamps. We're riding on 17-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels finished in gloss black. They're all riding on really nice tyres and they are in nice order. Now the car itself, you can tell it's not been raced and rallied, so looking at the front bumper, looking at the bonnet, that's all in nice order. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any dents or dings. All the mirror caps are in nice order, no bumper corner scuffs. Quickly, just poking our heads inside. So John Cooper Works steering wheel, kick plates, and then you get that lovely lighter leather interior. As you can tell, bolsters, seat base, that's all in lovely order. Headrests, same goes for the rear, all in nice order as well. Coming through to the back, nice sporty lower diffuser, dual exhaust, Cooper S badging. Looking through to the boot, parcel shelf is present. You've got the boot divider there. Under there you've got your locking wheel nut and tyre inflation kit. But let's jump inside, get out of this wind. Whew, so, starting the car up, both keys. Obviously this is a 2-litre petrol engine car, 190 brake horsepower. It's powered through the silky smooth auto box, ZF gearbox. But looking inside, you've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually, cruise control, speed limiter, all your volume and media controls, voice command. Now, as we're doing the video today, the vehicle's only covered 30,775 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock, and then coming through to the center screen, you've got the mini driver select, so you can have your own profiles on there, click through straight away. Bluetooth's your phone, all your contacts. You've got media and radio, communications, notifications, and a big one, we've got satellite navigation on this car as well. Very easy to use, very responsive as well. The whole system is nice and easy to use. Full phone connectivity as well, so you've got Bluetooth phone, DAB, USB as well. And then these cars are on what's called condition-based servicing. So when it comes to your servicing, the car basically tells you when it needs stuff doing. So, you know, brake fluid, pads, service, it tells you when it needs it. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. You've got your selectable driving mode, so you've got green, mid and sport. When you change it, you definitely feel a difference in drive. Obviously the gearbox as well, you've got sport mode on the gearbox. When you flick it over to the side, you can also drive it manually. Flick it back into park there. The whole display is controlled via the center scroll wheel. But inside, it's not been smoked in. It doesn't smell of any pets. You can tell it's a cherished car. drives absolutely bang on. Looking at the steering wheel, there's no nicks, tears. Looking at the actual gear shifter, all the plastics are in nice order. The grab handles on the sides as well. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, give us a call, 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.